Hello everyone. So today is day 35 of my 365 day series where I'm coloring my days red and green. Red if it was affecting me somewhere mentally or emotionally, or if I'm not doing something which is good for my health, then it is a red day. And if everything is fine, I'm doing productive things, I'm thinking positively, or I just read out something, or I did something out of my zone, like not just sitting, not just walking, or doing something really good for me, then it is a green day. So today is 4th of February 2026, and here I am recording how my day was and which color I will give to my day. So from the very morning, I was kind of upset. Then, because in the morning there was something which affected me, and uh, till afternoon, I think everything was like, there is something in me which is poking me, and which is like, after every second, after every minute, I'm just having thoughts, the bad thought, the negative thoughts, agar ye ho gaya, agar wo ho gaya, if this happen, if that happens, like this kind of thoughts, what I will do, what are my responsibilities, and how I will handle all these things, and if this happened, that happened, then what should I do, what should be my first step, and what I can do to make things better, or like all those kind of things were in my mind, all those questions were in my mind till afternoon it was. After that I felt everything is fine, like I was normal. I find that okay, there is nothing to be, you know, there is nothing to be worry of, because earlier there was something that I was worrying about, but after that I find that okay, there is nothing that I should be worried of something. Then I had my lunch, I think, which was good, kind of good. And after that I was sitting on my chair and just watching some movies, maybe, I don't know. And today I yes today oh sorry yesterday sorry yes today I did what, I edited all my videos of all my channels, like changing the shorts title and descriptions and hashtag and everything, and the net was not working, so I went to Mossy's house, and then I asked her, like, just to sit with me, because I want to upload a lot of videos, which was actually taking a lot of time, because I have uploaded them yesterday, and till today they were not uploaded at all. So it was taking time and net was not working. I don't know what's the problem with the Airtel Wi-Fi, but I will change it uh, after the recharge is over of 5 months. So that's what I'm thinking. I will be converting it into Geo. So where I was, okay, so everything is fine, but like in the, yeah, in the night also I had, I think, my favorite dish, dal chawal with omelette. I was eating it. I was kind of feeling full, but there was something lacking, or maybe it's just like from the morning I was having those kind of poking or attacks, that not attack, like there were questions on me, or on my mind, that what I will do. So maybe that was the thing that is making me feel like that there is something which is left, there is something which is left. So whole of the day was good, the morning was not, the evening was also fine, not that bad. I slept early, so everything was normal. But as the morning was really very harsh, too much harsh, I can say, the way it was day before yesterday, the day it was whole red color in the evening, similarly it was red in the very morning. So I will color my 35th day of my this 365 day series as red, because it did affected me mentally, and that is too much. For I think 3 to 4 hours I was thinking about this only, that what will happen, what I will do, what are the things, what are my responsibilities, how I will handle all those things. The questions were in my mind were very harsh, which was affecting me, and I was not having any resolution, I was not having any solution to those questions. So it's kind of a harsh for me on my um, mind, or on my body, I can say. So it is a red day, I will say, the 35th day of my series, and the 4th February 2026 is a red day according to me. I know I'm going to have a lot of red days now. I think, I don't know why, but I'm having this feeling, gut feeling, that there will be many now. No idea. But yes, the thing which I will say which was good is that it was not all because of me. The very best part was that, but the environment is also affecting you, obviously. Environment matters. If a plant is not getting a sunlight, then obviously it will not grow. So yes, the environment was affecting me. It was not my fault actually, but fine, whatever it was, it did affect me at last. So I will give red color to my 35th day, and that's all for today. Thank you so much.